Hello there, scientists. It is Thursday, March 4th, and today I would like to review with you what you've learned so far for magnets and just to be thinking about what have I learned so far, and I think the best way of remembering information that we've learned is to be able to reteach it, be able to tell someone else about it. So you're going to be telling me about it. So I would like all of you to make this video for me in flipgrid. Now, what you have to do for flipgrid, your requirements for this short video would be to do one of the experiments on it that you did this week. And you're going to use the science language we've been using this week. This magnet repels against this fabric. This magnet attracts to this paper clip. So you're going to be using the words attract, repel. You can use the words magnetic field just to tell us a little bit about magnetic field. Anything you've learned about magnets. Now, to recap, to give you a better idea about this, I would like to share with you as a reminder the assignments you've done this week for science. So as you may recall, on Monday, we were experimenting to find which objects are magnetic. So you did this little activity where you brought these over to show that these repel when you have the same pole together. So south, south, north, north, those repel. And attract would be the north to south or south to north pole. Okay, so that was Monday, just showing how magnets can attract or repel, and you can do that right on flipgrid. You could say, look at these magnets, see how they, just like my video that day, and you can rewatch it to help you get an idea. But if you were to choose this, so you have to choose Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday's activity for science to reteach me on flipgrid. So this one, for example, you could say, you could have two magnets in your hand and show how they repel and how they attract. So it can be short and sweet, but I need you to use that language we've been learning. Tuesday, you watched this silly little video on magnetism, and then you had to do an experiment. Choose objects from around the room and predict whether you think they will be magnetic or not. Okay, so like I did the other day, or showed you the other day, this was Tuesday. I showed you that a paper clip attracts to a magnet. Okay, so you could just explain these four things you did, or take one of these and actually show us in the video. Okay, you can see my two things that I did for my experiment, this and this, and you can see how they retract, or they attract towards each other, or they repel against each other. They don't attract. Okay, so look at that one. Wednesday, your activity was to do the paper clip activity. Okay, so this was to show, can the magnetic field pass through an object? Can the magnetic field pass through an object? So for example, I had my magnet and then a paper plate and then my paper clips on top. And remember that video I made a move? You can show us something like that, like, look everyone, and just take one of these examples and show us. Look how this paper clip moves around when I put a magnet through, I don't know, maybe you did a piece of paper or your shirt, or I don't know, I think I was working with Liana and she did like a hot pad from her kitchen. That was really smart. So anything that you did here, or you can pick another object to show us how the magnetic field, and try to use those words. The magnetic field still goes through an object or does not. You can show us either one. Look, this does not attract. The magnetic field is stopped between these two objects. So you could also tell that. So pick one of the activities from Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, and you're going to explain it to us on flipgrid. Okay, now if you choose to watch others' videos, make sure you're positive with your words. For example, saying, hey, that was really great, or you really taught me a lot, or don't say anything at all. So if you're going to watch and say something, make sure it's positive and it encourages them to keep trying and do another flipgrid another time, because we're looking for that confidence in each other. Okay. So if you have any questions, please let me know and I'd be happy to help as always. Thanks for watching, scientists, and have fun with this. Science is all about fun. Have fun with this. See ya.